Hi everybody, welcome back to Arm Candy. We've got a crowd favourite today. So this is a Louis Vuitton Neverfull and it's in the size MM, which I think is just the perfect size. We've got double top handles and then we've got adjustable laces on each side to either make that a little bit more cinched or a little bit wider depending on what you like. And then inside we've got that great bright red pinstripe lining. And we've got a little hook closure as well, so that just hooks on there like that to keep it closed, and then pick it open just like that. And then inside we've got one nice big flat pocket, zipped flat pocket there, so that zip still works lovely. And then we have the removable little pochette as well, zipped pochette, and inside there we've got that same pinstripe lining and we've got one flat pocket inside there as well. So the condition of this Neverfull, we have called it very good all around. You can see on these bottom corners there is just a tiny bit of wear. It's just starting to show a little bit of wear on those corners, but it is barely noticeable. You can see just very slight wear there. And then on the trim, the leather trim at the top, there's just a couple of areas again where it's showing some really slight wear. And again, it is very slight and very difficult to see. So that is why we've called it very good, because there is barely any signs of wear. You can see that coated canvas is lovely and shiny and gorgeous, and that base is still in a lovely condition as well. The interior, again, we've called very good. There's just a couple of marks here and there on that pinstripe lining. So just here, you can see just a couple of marks there, and then a little mark here as well. Just a little dark mark just there. But other than that, again, inside the interior is in a gorgeous condition. There is just a little bit of marking on the base in those corners, a little bit of darkening, but other than that, it is gorgeous. And then again, the hardware, that lovely gold tone, there is just very minimal scratching to that hardware, to these little press studs here, but for the most part, they're in a beautiful condition, and so that is why we've called it very good all around. I'll show you what it comes with. So we have Louis Vuitton dust bag, and then we also have the Louis Vuitton fabric card and product tag. We have a Louis Vuitton box, as well as the Louis Vuitton gift bag as well, so it would make a lovely gift for somebody. The exact measurements for this bag will be on the website. As I said, this is the size MM, but if you wanted the exact measurements, you can go to the link in the description below, and it should hopefully take you directly to this Neverfull on our website, where you can see that will be the link to shop, so you can buy that on there on armcandybagco.com, and you'll find more details on it as well. If it doesn't take you directly to this bag and it just takes you to our generic product page, I'm really sorry, that does mean it has sold. However, we do have a request list that you can get onto, because you guys love Neverfull, so they go very quickly. So let us know that you love this, we'll pop you on our request list, and then as soon as we get in another one, you will be one of the first to know, and then hopefully you can get in there nice and quickly next time. So that is the request list. I'll show you the size on me for reference. So I'm a size UK 10 and 5'4", and those handles just sit really nice and comfortably because they're nice and thin, so they're very comfortable on your arm. And again, I think the MM is just the perfect size, especially if you're a little bit smaller like me. The GM is a little bit too big, but the MM is perfect for every day. It can fit in all your essentials, and it's just a lovely practical shape and the practical size, and it sits really comfortably under your arm, so a perfect everyday bag. If you wanted more details on it, again, go to the link in the description below. While you're on our website, don't forget to sign up to our newsletter, and we'll send you through your welcome discount code, which you can use on your first purchase with us. While you're here, also don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel if you're a bag lover like we are, so you don't miss out on any gorgeous bags that we have to show you. And also on our website you'll find the how to sell with us page, so if you have any bags that you'd like to sell with Arm Candy Bag Co, all the details you need to know about selling with us are on that page, so have a look through there, have a read through, and we'll see you later with some more Arm Candy.